Hi, I'm Jon Riki. Welcome to Positive Masters, where we work on our mindset and our passion projects. This here is my setup. I do all my work at this desk setup I have here, and this is my MacBook Pro, my 13-inch MacBook Pro, which I've been working on for about 7.5 years now. And as a lawyer, working on this small little thing can be challenging, especially when you got contracts, like multiple contracts, and you're flipping through one or two or three of them. It can be really challenging. So having this 27-inch monitor here has helped me tremendously in my productivity, especially when I gotta look at multiple contracts. I can split it up. I can put one contract on this side, I can put another contract on the other side of the screen, and then I could put a third document on the MacBook Pro itself. And I also have a keyboard that's really helpful in typing, a separate keyboard. And this keyboard has tactile, that feeling that when you, that click feeling that you have when you're typing, and it helps as a typist to move faster and just have that better experience. I also have this mouse that's ergonomic and it's very comfortable, and a mouse pad that's fast to move. It's a gaming mouse pad. I don't game at all, but my friend gave it to me and it's so good. I mean, it just makes it more fun when you have a mouse that can move efficiently and quick. And this is my mic here. I use this mic for podcasting and doing some audio recording, or even streaming. I also do it. I also use this mic for streaming. And then I have a light here for nighttime if I gotta stream at night, do some meetings. So basically, yeah. I have an audio interface for the microphone as well to help the microphone, because it's a condenser mic, so it needs a power boost. So basically, yeah, this is my setup, and it makes my work fun. And it's very important for you to have a place to work that's enjoyable. For me, this is my happy place. I love working here, and it makes fun work even more enjoyable, and it makes difficult work bearable. Well, actually, it's even fun doing difficult work here. Honestly, it has changed my mindset, and I also like the lighting to set the mood, so to speak. When I was at the Capitol or in politics, I used to dim the lights and tell everyone I'm setting the mood. So I do the same thing here, and now with modern lights or RGB LED lights that's under my desk, and you got now these fancy keyboards and fancy mouse pads and everything that makes work so much more fun with the experience, with this lighting and indirect lighting, and just makes it fun. And I was in concerts too, so it kind of reminds me of those EDM days when my friend and I promoted and produced concerts in Hawaii. So having this vibe is just like kind of brings back those memories. So I love it. I love this setup, and for my mindset, this helps me. Whatever sets your mood, you know, your happy mood for your productivity, for your work, whether it's this kind of setup or a minimalist setup or whatever, just do it, because I feel like it does help your work. It does help your creativity. It does make you want to work every single day. Speaking of work, shall we dive into our work? Because it's time to rock.